Hello, I'm Hallie Gillison.
And I'm Temidire Oladeji, and today we'll be presenting to you our research on the effect of hyaluronic acid on the regeneration rate of Planaria.
Dugesia tigrina, also known as brown Planaria, are free-living flatworms found in fresh water between 21 to 23 degrees Celsius. They have been known for their regenerative properties. This has dubbed them a myrtle under the edge of a knife by John Graham Dalziel in 1814. Hyaluronic acid acts as a humectant, a substance that helps the skin stay moisturized and clear. So for our project, we decided to test how much of an effect hyaluronic acid has on brown Planaria.
Our hypothesis was that hyaluronic acid would help increase the regeneration rate of Planaria. One of the reasons we decided to do this was to contribute to the research on how to increase the regeneration of our epithelial cells. So we decided to use the Planaria as a simple model to see if hyaluronic acid would help increase the rate of its cell regeneration.
To carry out our experiment, we decided to split the Planaria into 3 groups. The group with the higher dosage, 1.1 grams of hyaluronic acid, the group with lower dosage of hyaluronic acid, 1.1 grams, and the control group, which didn't receive any hyaluronic acid. We then took 10 Planaria from each group and cut them horizontally whilst they were placed on ice. Afterwards, we measured them once again and put them back into their respective groups. After, we left them for a week to regenerate before comparing the data that we gathered. From our data gathered, we concluded that the control group had the highest regeneration rate. In the group with the higher dosage, most Planaria died, but showed a slight increase in regeneration. And in the group with lower dosage, most of them survived, but did not show much of a regeneration rate.
One of the things we talked about upon the completion of our project was the strange effect hyaluronic acid had on the Planaria. As mentioned earlier, the group with the higher dosage of hyaluronic acid did show a slight increase of regeneration, but the majority of them died. This, however, has led us to a new hypothesis that in order for hyaluronic acid to have a discernible effect on Planaria without killing them, is that it has to be between 1.01 gram and 1.09 grams of hyaluronic acid. For future studies, we would love to see if there is a better method of application to use for our project. We would also love to test our hypothesis, and we'd also love to redo this experiment using a new substance with similar but not the exact same characteristics as hyaluronic acid and see if it has a different effect. Thank you for your time.